Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to disable VPN on your phone. So here's the thing, if you're using iPhone, then all you have to do is simply same as this one. You have to go to the search icon and then kindly look for VPN. So probably you will see that because it will appear right here if you are currently using or if you have VPN on your phone. All you have to do is to disable it once you tap that VPN, as simple as that. Another thing is that you have to go to your device settings. It could be your iPhone settings or Android settings. And if you have or if you're using iPhone, then probably you will see a setting there that says a VPN. You can see a setting for a VPN, and all you have to do is to tap that one. You will see the VPN there, and you just have to turn that one off. If you're using Android, then all you have to do is to go to app management, go to app list, and then kindly search for VPN or type VPN. Actually, you can scroll down also and look for VPN. Tap this one, and all you have to do is just simply force this one to stop. You can uninstall this if you don't want to use it anymore, or you can force this to stop. Okay, and also you can go to permissions, and if you don't want this to get access to your device, then you can turn off this permission or you can deny its permission. So you have to put this VPN into denied and never allow this to get access to your phone device. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.